Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor cooking game with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today we're covering the top 5 best propane grills, chosen for their heat distribution, build quality, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. We've done the research, so you don't have to. Let's get started.
The Weber Spirit E310 is a heavy hitter for anyone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it backyard workhorse. It packs 3 stainless steel burners and porcelain-enameled cast iron grates that hold heat like a champ. We're looking at the Snapjet ignition system here, which is great because you're lighting burners with one hand instead of fumbling with matches. It includes stainless steel flavorizer bars that catch drippings to add that smoky taste while keeping the burners clear. The build is solid, with a cast aluminum cookbox that won't rust out. It also features WeberWorks side rails for snap-on accessories, giving you room to customize your setup right now. We've found that it's a very safe pick for families of 4. Most users say it's easy to assemble and heats up fast, though some think the build feels lighter than older models. The instructions are almost entirely pictures, which is fine if you're handy, but might annoy some. It's an excellent value-for-money option that provides a consistent cook. If you want a reliable daily driver, this is a smart choice.
Next up is the Weber Q1200 Plus, which is the go-to if you're tight on space, but refuse to compromise on power. This thing is a beast, with a temperature range that goes from a low 250 degrees all the way up to a searing 700. It features the Plus burner, which gives you that extra kick of heat for steaks, or lets you throttle back for slow roasting. We like the high dome lid because it actually lets you fit a whole chicken inside, which is rare for a grill this compact. The built-in venting and electronic ignition make it feel like a premium piece of kit indeed. The feedback is mostly positive, with many calling it a massive step up from the older Q2200. It's perfect for patios, since it balances portability with a decent cooking area. However, assembly isn't exactly a walk in the park. Some people have called the directions awful, and the stand can take a couple of hours to put together. The side tables feel a little flimsy to some, but the grilling performance is top tier. It's a versatile, high-end, portable monster.
The Weber Spirit E210 is the smaller, leaner brother of the E310, and it's perfect for people who don't need to cook for an army. It's a 2-burner setup that still packs the same porcelain-enameled grates and flavorizer bars. You're getting a compact footprint that fits into tight corners, but it's still powerful enough to hit high temps quickly. The cabinet design is clean, hiding the propane tank and providing some extra storage. Like its bigger sibling, it's built with a cast aluminum cookbox designed to resist peeling and rust. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done without any unnecessary drama or clutter. It's widely considered a great value for smaller families. Most users find it well-built and easy to put together in about 30 minutes. Some have noted the gaps between the grate sections are a bit wide, so watch out for small sausages falling through. The instruction quality is hit or miss since it's mostly visual, but the assembly is intuitive enough. It's a dependable, mid-range joist that offers very even heat distribution. If you want Weber quality, get this Today package.
If you're looking for the king of the tailgate, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is probably it. It delivers 20,000 BTUs across 3 adjustable burners, which is impressive for something that folds down like a suitcase. We're fans of the quick fold legs and integrated wheels that make transporting this thing effortless. It has a push-button ignition and a built-in thermometer, so you're not guessing about the internal temp. The swap-top grates are a nice touch, allowing you to switch in a griddle or stove grate for breakfast. It's a versatile, budget-friendly option for the outdoor enthusiast. Users love how portable it is for camping, though it's not without its quirks. The lid latch is a common complaint. It doesn't always stay closed during transport, which can be a pain. Also, while the drip pan is removable, it can be a bit of a nightmare to get perfectly clean. Some find the overall construction a little flimsy compared to stationary grills, but for a portable unit, it performs perfectly. It's a solid bang-for-your-buck pick if you need real mobility on the go.
The Weber Q1200 is a legendary portable grill that's essentially built like a tank.
It's a single burner unit with 8,500 BTUs, but the porcelain enameled cast iron grates hold so much heat that it doesn't matter. It features folding side tables that give you prep space and a high dome lid with a built-in thermometer. The electronic ignition is reliable, and the cast aluminum body is basically indestructible. It's small enough to throw in the back of a truck, but powerful enough to sear a thick steak. This is the premium choice for serious travelers who want durability. The feedback here is stellar. People love that it performs just as well as a full-size Weber. It's the perfect size for apartment balconies or solo camping trips. It heats up fast and provides very even heat across the entire surface. One thing to watch out for is that it's surprisingly bulky because of that high lid, and you shouldn't transport it with a propane bottle attached. It's a high-quality, long-lasting beast investment that feels incredibly solid. If you want a small grill that lasts, get this.
And that wraps up the top 5 best propane grills. We hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect match for your backyard or your next camping trip. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. We've got plenty more reviews coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.